Alright guys, these are my final thoughts on the Oculus Rift DK2 development kit. It's too complicated to be used. It takes too much time, so many wires to set up, and I only spent $50 on it, so I thought that I could get it to work, but it requires a PC to run and all that kind of stuff. Much better if you have an iPhone or a phone in general, like something like an iPhone 6, I would recommend you get a VR1 Plus, and don't forget to get yourself a remote, because otherwise you can't use it, or something similar with a button on it, because this one does not have a button on it. With $15, this was about $5, this was about $10, you can get a VR system that runs off your phone with Google Cardboard or whatever. Don't waste your money on something like this. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.